Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use revisions in Elementor. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to recover previous versions of your page, whether you've made changes you want to undo or simply want to reference an earlier design. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. This will show you all the pages on your website. Look for the specific page where you want to access the revision history and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor interface where you can make changes and manage your page versions. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll find a tab labeled History. Click on this tab to open it. From the options that appear, select Revisions. This is where Elementor stores all the previous versions of your page, allowing you to see what changes were made and when they occurred. You'll now see a drop-down menu displaying all available revisions for your page. Each revision typically shows a timestamp so you can identify when that particular version was created. Browse through the list and click on the revision you want to restore. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct version, as this will overwrite your current page content. Once you've selected the revision you want, click on Apply. This action will restore that specific revision to your page, replacing the current version with the one you've chosen. You'll see your page content update immediately to reflect the selected revision. Finally, to save these changes, click on Save Draft. You'll find this button beside the Publish button in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking Save Draft ensures that your restored revision is properly saved without publishing it immediately, giving you the chance to review everything before making it live. And that's it. You've successfully used the revisions feature in Elementor to restore a previous version of your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.